Tapos ako naman sa balay niya ini. Hindi nagapas kami eh.
Ito. Hindi ko malaglag. Wala ka mata? Naglag.
Oh, nana mo.
Tingin ang lamit yung malam layo ni sa linulo mo daw. Ayun eh. This is the way. Ang alagyan sang uton sang National High The National High School Otoni. I don't know that people. Sorry. This is the Starbucks refreshments. Molten Dew, and this is Tessa, soon to be Chowking. The Chowking soon to be Starbucks, and that is the ice crumble. That is That is the ice crumble, and the Dora, the Spider-Man, and the Mickey Mouse. See that?
The Interfaith School.
The Interfaith Christian Academy School.
Ano? Third year lang.
That is the Sikan with the towel. And this is Mama Isa, si Tessa, si Michelle, si Alexi, si Eunice. Hello, Michelle. Ako, Joe. Okay.
Ito na ako.